All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cesar from GG Kicks here, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Indigo 12s, the Air Jordan Retro 12s, and these have special meaning. The box is actually pretty white. It's not your standard Air Jordan box. Get that out of the way. As you can see, it's just a white box. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Then again, Jordan. These came straight from the sneakers app. Got them from Nike. It comes with an actual card. The beauty of imperfections fade to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back more than 6,000 years ago. So basically, from the plant that they get the dye, no two shoes will be alike. That's why these shoes are very unique, and as you start wearing them, they're gonna start fading and they will change a little of the color. I just took a sneak peek there. All right, guys, so with the front of the shoe, the tongue, obviously same tongue as always on the Air Jordan 12, 2-3 stitched on, spelling the 2 out, just the 3, Jumpman right there. These were tied up so hard for a size 12. So my pair actually came with, like, I guess it's kind of a little factory defect, or somebody at the Nike warehouse is wearing them. Right here, there's just like a little crease, nothing bad. You guys can see how the leather on this shoe tumbles. It actually feels somewhat premium. So on the inside lining, you got your stone blue with your legend blue Jumpman on the bottom right there. I'm not gonna take out the midsole to show you guys because I will be selling these. So for the side of the shoe, we're looking at this mud guard right here. Is all white with the white outsole. You guys are probably gonna wanna put some sole protectors on these bad boys because they're all white. So literally, one time use, they're already gonna start looking crazy. Okay, so on the bottom of the shoe, we're looking at the regular Jordan 12 outsole. We got the dark blue here, and we got like this pattern, kind of snakeskinish for the bottom of the shoe for the carbon fiber. Not sure if you guys could hear that. And we got the legend blue Jumpman with the 23, as well as the Indigo for the bottom. So pretty standard, guys. It's just, don't get it confused with the Obsidians. I know a lot of people were upset when they announced that these were coming out instead of the Obsidians. But all in all, it's pretty great shoes. Look at the heel right here. Standard 23. Looks like it's in black. Not even that dark blue. Just a black 23 on the heel. Got the Jumpman on the heel tab right here. And quality inspired by the greatest player. Again, it's written on the back there with the Jordan sign. Jumpman is still engraved on the side right here. Let's take a look at the next shoe, see if it doesn't have as much defects as that side. So right here again, we're looking at this nice indigo shade. I actually got a pretty dark pair. I've been seeing a lot of different pairs because you guys got to remember, the leather used for these shoes, it's not all going to be the same. All pairs aren't created equal. So some people have a darker shade, some people have a lighter shade. If I do end up keeping these though, I will switch them out for the white laces. I don't know why they didn't do that. It's almost a crime, but I guess they didn't want people to confuse it with the Obsidian. So unfortunately, these did not come with white laces inside the box, so you would have to get those aftermarket. I'll leave a link down below as to where you can cop yourself some white laces, because I do think that these will be dope. If I do end up keeping these, I'll probably put on the white laces and give you guys an on-foot review as well. Let me know if you guys want to see that. All right, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this. That'll help me out tremendously. And if you guys want to see videos or more on-foot or in-hand reviews of Jordan sneakers or any type of sneakers, you know where to come back. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll have a new video coming up soon with some new kicks. And yeah.